Hello students, welcome back to English Learning. I am Ansuya Sharma, your English teacher. And students, today we are going to learn how to write article. The format of article I will teach you. And I have this book, so basically we'll follow this book as you, I think, still are not having your books. So let us learn from this. So students, what are articles now? So you have learned writing articles in 7th and 8th also. So now literally the format will be the same, but still I will help you to learn it in a very easy manner. So students, article are asked in CBSE by CBSE for 9th and 10th, mainly for 10 marks. Okay. So if we follow this few rules, we can easily take out all the 10 marks. Okay, but in writing section we never get full marks. Maximum marks are given but not full. Okay, so let us see first what are articles. Articles are long composition and may be discursive and argumentative, means the topic which can be discussed, or arguments can be done like positive arguments and negative arguments. Okay, both types of arguments can be done. Or an expression of a viewpoint. Okay, means a expression of a person or a viewpoint of a person. They may share the writer's viewpoint on the topics are given: a social or environmental issue. A social and environmental means pollution, whatever air pollution it is. Okay, this kind of things related to environment, cutting off trees, deforestation, all this topic. Okay, so an event or a general interest and concern like status of women or a girl child. Like there are many topics, students, you can say, like girl education, child labor, harassment done on women, and education facilities not provided, early marriages. Okay, literacy, civic amenities, social customs, and new trends in society and among the teenagers, or national or international issues. National or international issues, you can say anything. It can be on nuclear weapons. Nowadays mostly countries are talking about, like how Pakistan and India are having fights on the borders. So like there are many topics we can say on national and international issues. So let us see the features of an article. A suitable title should be there. Okay, first thing, a suitable title. This should be suggestive of a main idea of an article, means the title should be very attractive so that the reader should be attracted towards the article. He should feel that no, I should read this article after looking the topic. Okay, by line means it should be in a proper order. Simplicity and clarity, whatever is written should be simple and clear. Okay, well stated purpose means it should be for the goodness of people. Okay, they should know what are the facts, what are the causes, and what are the problems, issues will be faced if that problem increases. Okay, so we can write article is written in 3 paragraphs, mainly in 3 paragraphs. Okay, so let us see. I have shown you. See, I have written here the format. First thing, students, we need to write the heading. Okay, and the heading should be very attractive and it should be written in the center. Okay, then in the middle also you can write by whom this article is written under the heading. Here I have written by Ansuya myself. My name is written here. So you can write it either on the right side or in the middle also. Okay, by. Okay, Then the body of the article comes in 3 paragraphs. Okay, the first paragraph is also written in small. The total article is written in 150 words. Okay, the body comprises of 3 parts. I have told you. First para should be short. Okay, it should be introduction should be given or elaborate the topic to engage interest to explain the situation. Okay student, in the first paragraph, introduction of the subject and your viewpoint at the outside, means your viewpoint should be given in the first paragraph. What is the main topic? You can even give the main little bit of introduction can be given in the para 1. Okay, then para 2 can consist of more words like 50 to 60 words. Okay, and para 3 also should be, conclusion should be given here, like what can be done, how we can prevent, if we are writing on deforestation, how we can prevent cutting of trees, how the forest can be prevented. Okay, what measures can be taken for that. Okay, so now let us see. In para 1, first thing you should add is, you can add a slogan in the starting, either a question. Okay, for example, if we are taking the topic natural food versus processed food. Okay, so we can write a very attractive lines. For example, in recent years the carving for processed and fast food has become a matter of great concern for health experts. Okay, like this. Or we can write food is should be cooked, whatever it is, like very attractive sentence should be written. We can write the question also in the starting. For example, are fast foods are good options for students, teenagers, and for old people also? Are fast food, processed food are good? That question we can write. Amazing facts also we can tell about the fast food. For example, we are taking the topic is natural food, natural food, processed food. Okay, so we can take any topic, so we can write the amazing facts how natural food is better than the processed food. Okay, there should be a brief introduction, like students, in every question of an article first you will get some points. For example, we'll see here, I will show you. See, in this some points are given. The government of the world have come to recognize that international sports event in the interest of all. The sports people, the host, the international committee at large. Write an article highlighting the various benefits that acquire from such events. Okay, like this some few points will be given. So with the help of that points also you can come to know on what particular points you need to write the article. Okay, then para 2, you need to write the cause. Okay, what are the causes of people eating processed food than natural food? Because see, nowadays life is very vast. People are not having any time for their self. They all are working. Children are also going to school. So they prefer to eat processed food than the natural food. See, natural food you need time to cook. Okay, but processed, they are ready to eat. For example, Maggi. Now Maggi, you need only 5 minutes to cook Maggi and it's very instant. You can have it within 5 minutes. Okay, so like this, soups are also instant. Nowadays palak paneer pouches you will get. each and everything is processed. Okay, even parathas you will get processed. So you need to write the cause why this is happening due to the fast life. What are the effects of eating this? Nowadays people are getting cancer, they are getting sick with cancer. It's a very serious infection that happens in our body. Okay, present state and condition we need to put in the para 2. What are the present state? Most of the people are dying because of severe diseases like cancer, colon infection. Okay, so we need to state that also. What is the current condition of people? Still they are going towards the processed food, but nowadays when it comes mostly in the news, people are getting aware of it and they are not having processed food with that. So now para 3, you need to write the solution and the conclusion. What are the solutions we should do? We should stop eating processed food and we should use more and more natural food in our diet. Okay student, so like this we need to write various points. See, the first paragraph will be short, I mean to say 50 to 60 words. Then this can be also 70 words, and even this can be into 30 words. Okay, like this the conclusion should be short and sweet. See, no need to get more confused. Use simple language so that you get at least 7 or 8 marks, because if you use very critical language, it will be, first you need to follow this point and make it simple. First write slogan, you can use question also, amazing facts you can add. Okay, a brief introduction also you can give about natural food and about the processed food. Okay, then causes, the effect, and the present state, what is going on in the country. After eating natural food, what is the condition, and after eating processed food, what is the condition going on. And para 3, give the solution. What should people do nowadays? They should eat more and more healthy fruits, healthy vegetables, green vegetables, that is natural food. Okay, and the conclusion. Okay, what we should follow today to be healthy. If there is one slogan, if health is lost, everything is lost. No, there is, if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. But if health is lost, each and everything is lost. Okay, first comes the health. Like this slogan also you can add in the first para. Okay student, I hope you have understood a very simple article writing. So like this you need to write a article. Thank you.